guys, how are you today? Welcome in Farmindia world, welcome in Prem dangar's world. So friends, after making a jaggery from sugarcane juice, I just decided we go to tour of the sugarcane farm. When we planting this sugarcane, I am busy in some another work, so I can't shoot that video. I extremely sorry for that, but now I just decide we go to tour of the our sugarcane farm. So let's go. So it's our sugarcane farm. Awesome view. Watch this. See these awesome green leaves. We planting a sugarcane cutting from this line for better watering system. See, in this line we give water to the sugarcane. I wanna tell how we plant a sugarcane. So first assume this wood that fits the sugarcane cutting. We put it on the center of the line and give some pressure with our leg, and this cutting go to soil and we watering it. So it's the sugarcane spread out. In one cutting one side, there already 2 or 3 sugarcane spread out is coming. It's already 1 month all sugarcane farm house. And now see awesome cloud view just over our sugarcane farm. So friends, it's our sugarcane farm. But last night here is some raining, so land's all surface is wet. And now, so hot atmosphere is this time. So I think rain also come today. So friends, this is our 1 month sugarcane. I will give another update very soon. So please subscribe this channel so you don't miss this notification.